is Marie from Underground Crafter, and I'm here for Darn Good Yarn. And at Darn Good Yarn, we always start at love. I'm talking today about the Market Tote Kit. So this is a really great kit that you can make your own market tote, and this is the crochet version. There's also a knit version, and you can see it's pretty large. You can carry a good amount of stuff in it on your market run. So let me tell you a little bit about how the kit will show up. First of all, depending on your color scheme that you choose, you will get a beautiful bag. So I'm just going to show you one option. This option comes with 4 skeins, and this is recycled chiffon yarn. And so it's silk and polyester blend. It's usually been used in saris before, but any other lightweight item. And at Darn Good Yarn, they sort it meticulously so that it's in colors that are complementary. So you'll get 4, and I wanted to show you that you can, wind up each one to use in your project. And then you'll also get the pattern. So this particular one right here is the crochet version, and you get to keep this great little bag, great project bag, which I like because there's a pocket on front, so you can keep your scissors and your notions and what have you there, and obviously work from in here with your yarn. And I'll show you another version of different colors as well. There's several different ones on the website. And so this is the knit version, so same thing, it has a pattern inside and it comes with the yarn. And so you have a lot of options for other projects, by the way, if you don't necessarily want to make a market tote with this type of yarn. It's great because even though the strips are wide, because the chiffon is so soft and thin, you can actually use a regular size crochet hook or a knitting needle, and you can create other different kinds of projects that have different texture. So if you love the market tote, that's great, and if you want to experiment with something else, that's great too. So that's the market tote, and at Darn Good Yarn, all of the products are ethically sourced, so that's not something you have to worry about. You know that it's going to be coming from a place where either it's going to be earth friendly or people friendly, and both really usually is the case. So that's something that's really nice about the product as well. So it's a great market tote for you or a gift for your favorite eco-friendly yarn lover. So I hope you enjoyed learning more about the Market Tote Kit, and again, there's the crochet and the knit version, and you can find them all at Darn Good Yarn.